Okay guys, it's unboxing time. Let's get straight to it. So what we're starting off is with our air tank box here. So we went with the polished tank, and we went with the size that is gonna fit for exactly where we need it in the car. This tank, man, it looks great. It'll hold enough air in order to, you know, properly be able to propel the car without running out. All right guys, my bad. Coincidentally, the G7X died, so the GoPro had to come to the rescue, but let's get back to it. So what I was saying, you can see where the ports are at the back of the tank or along the length side of the tank. So this is going to grant us access, of course, to actually be able to plug in everything that we need to. The sides will be a bit too jammed for where we want to put the tank, so we figured this will be the best way. As well as this tank is not a common size tank. It was pretty specifically spec'd in order for us to be able to fit the tank exactly where we need. So we're gonna have to test fit it on the car and make sure everything's gonna be good, but I got faith in it. I think this should work. By our calculations, we should have hit the money with this one. So let me bring out the next few set of parts. Okay, yep, there's our remote. And then there's pretty much the management unit. And here's our compressor. I don't want this to really get scraped up, so you guys can take a look at it while it's still in the bag. But this is our compressor, right? Full chrome, polished finish, everyone. Looking good. All right, here's the real meat and potatoes of the situation. If you know me, you know that saying means serious business, man. You know that's when we spend some money, right? That's when we're giving some undivided attention to a real deal project. You know, this isn't something you just find the dollar store, you know what I'm saying? Let's check it out. So, which strut should I take out, man? It don't matter, really. I'll take out this one. Okay. Here's the bags. So you see how the bag and the strut is one whole assembly, and they make these to obviously the specification of the car. They make them to order, so it's nice to see that obviously something like this, it gets made brand new. It's not really sitting on the shelf too long, so it's not to say you know, there's any possibility of these kind of things getting damaged in their warehouse, to my knowledge at least, right? They get made to order, and you know, they send them out to you once they're done. So as you guys can tell, I went with Maxload for my bags in specific, and the struts, of course. You could tell at the top, it's even got a camber plate and everything like that, so you can make your adjustments. Not too bad. Oh, let me get it more in the middle there. Okay, so yeah, and man, I'm speechless at this point in time, man. You know, it's been a while. I wanted something like this. I'm glad I could finally bring this to fruition. Obviously, we got some work to do. We got to install this on the car, but this is just, yeah, it's gonna be incredible. You know, I seriously cannot wait. The season is coming soon, so I want to get this car ready to go, and yeah, get these bags on there so we could drop it down and raise it up within great convenience. And we paid that money for it, so hey, you know, the convenience should be should be there for us. So yeah, and also just the fun in it, man. Like this is a Showtime piece. This is something, you know, I'm not planning on really taking this car to the track or anything like that, so performance is not my biggest concern. But I have rode on bags before. We've had a vehicle on bags before, and to me, they ride all right. They ride fine. I have no issues, no problems with them. So I'm not too technical of a guy. But yeah, no, I'll be happy as heck with these, man. There isn't any better option for someone like me and what I do. So, but yeah, this is nice, man. Well crafted. I think this band here, you have the option, okay, whether you want to keep it on or take it off. You guys let me know what you think. If I should keep this on or take it off. I don't know. I might just leave it on for now. I wonder what guys that run this bag setup normally do. But anyways, so yeah, we went Maxload, Airride for the airbags, right? And the struts, of course, all one assembly. The air tank is Airlift Performance, and the air management system as well is Airlift Performance. This is the 3P system, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's got good technology with it. All I gotta do is download the app as well, and then this can connect directly to my phone, and I can also control the bag system from my phone. So this is like, you know, great technology, different from what we had before. The previous bag setup that we had, you had to hit the switches, you know what I'm saying? And then it will raise the car or lower the car. But now we got the remote, and then we also have the app we can connect to. So this is game-changing technology. Love to see it, the way technology is advanced, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna use it for the better. So can't wait to get this car ready to hit some shows and really show some people, you know, what this car is all about. Let me set this on the table so you guys can really see what's going on here. And I think that's about it for this video, man. One thing I ask of you guys, if you wanna see this build underway, if you wanna see this build when it's finished, if you just wanna see this build on the streets, man, leave a like on this video, okay? Make sure you let me know that you're feeling this car, that you're feeling this setup, and that you want to see it in shows, you want to see it on the road, you want to see how we end up finishing it up, you know what I'm saying? And if you want to see what we got coming up next for it, be sure to stay tuned, but also like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, man. Our Instagram as well. Our Instagram is Team Eureka, and our YouTube is just Eureka. You guys know exactly where to find us. I'll obviously have it on the screen there as well, so you guys can, find us everywhere. And also stay tuned to this build, man, because I truly can't wait. This is just a beginning, man. Like, incredible. Let me line up the bag so you guys get a clear view of what we got going on here. All right, here's one last look at the glory. You know what I'm saying? The game changers. Yeah, man, like I said, I'm excited. Anyways, that's all for this video. Y'all know what we're doing here. Big motion only. Y'all know what time it is, man. The clock is ticking. Prove them. I'm out of here. Later.